Be ready. Start. A very important duty which a secretary has to frequently perform is preparation of agenda in connection with the meetings. This is a duty required of every secretary in a limited company, association, or any other body to be of real service. Items on the agenda should be as self-explanatory as possible. It should also be seen that they are drawn up in a concise form. Therefore, each item should convey the substance of a definite topic for discussion. If this is done, the members who attend the meeting come well prepared for the discussion, and what is more important, they are given an opportunity of looking up any necessary information and of considering the items in a preliminary way before the meeting. It is certain that care in this respect adds to the value of the discussion. Another matter of great importance and closely related to what has been considered about is the question of the enclosures to the agenda. In cases where statistics reports, annual accounts, etc., are included in the agenda for discussion, approval, or adoption, such papers should be included with the agenda. It is particularly impossible for an executive to give due consideration to tables of statistics unless they are supplied with copies well in advance of the meeting. If a subcommittee has been appointed to consider and report upon any matter, it would be appointed to consider and report upon any matter. It would be the duty of the secretary to prepare a report thereon for circulation to the executives. The same remarks apply to the consideration of the annual accounts. Proper statements of accounts should be circulated to the shareholders and members. It is impossible for the executive committee give proper consideration to these unless members have studied the same in good time for the meeting. Numerous matters arise under the heading correspondence. It is the duty of the efficient secretary to focus the attention of the executive only on the important correspondence. Stop.